Hi guys, it's Jana and today I am repotting this monstera. Here are the roots of this baby. They are so root bound, and good thing I decided to repot this today. I have a hard time taking them out of the pot that it came with, so now finally got it out, and you can see the bottom here, so much root. So I'm gonna take it apart, guys. So I'm just gonna take this apart. So I already took this one out. That was not so bad at all. Then that was the one that I showed you guys during my haul that was leaning. In this one here, I'm just gonna pull this apart. So easy. This one here. See this root? I have the fan on, guys. It is so hot today. So hot. I had it on high, but it was so loud when I listened back to the video. I tried to see if it's gonna make a lot of noise, but it does, so I had to lower the fan because it would be like a hurricane sound. Not really hurricane, but it was just annoying fan noise. So this one, I have a hard time on this one. Pull this thing. Oh wow. Oh, there you go. Oh my goodness, I made a mess. Here's the next one. I was gonna leave this alone bushy like that, but I wanna separate them because I want it to grow bigger, and I wanna spread it into like maybe 3 pots. So I just kinda like, hey, I'm just gonna repot this whole thing because it's so root bound anyways when I opened it. So great thing I decided to repot this thing. Wow, this one is the biggest stem here. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at these roots in here. So much. Alright, so I separated. That's 3, 4, 5, total of 6 monstera, guys. So cool. I probably would have 2 in each pot. That way it'll look full. Alright, let me clean this up and I'll show you what I do next. So guys, I reused these nursery pots and I put in 2 dryer sheets inside here. I actually now remembered where I learned this dryer sheet thing. It's from Planterina. She mentioned one of her videos, and she said that you could actually use the dryer sheets to your drainage holes. So it's really working, guys. So here is the first tiny baby that I potted in this IKEA pot. It is still a little bit wiggly, but I give it a little bit of water and it kinda stays still. So this is the first baby that I just repotted. Here are the 2 other pots that I have. My husband got this a long time ago. Before I got here, he decorated our house and there was no plants on them, and then I started decorating too and added fake plants on these pots, and now it's time to take those fake plants out and added this beautiful monstera on it. So I did not plant this directly on the pot, so I just have this thing that I showed you, this nursery pot earlier. That way I can easily take them out and water, and you know, not much mess, and you know, if I change my mind, I can just change them. But here are the 2 monsteras on this pot. So it is leaning right now, so I probably need to put a stick to support this this plant. So here are the two that I just finished, and I'll show you the other one. It's the other one here in this taller pot. There's one in here, this little baby right here with this little leaves in the bottom here, and that's the fourth one that I have. And the last two plants that I have, I just decided to put them back in the same nursery pot that I have. There's still the tag on it. I just like to put them in here so they can grow, and there's two in here only, so they have more room to grow. And I keep them in this pot because I like this pot. And then there's another leaf that's gonna unfurl. So here is this two monsteras and the broken one that I didn't take out still. And here are these two babies that I planted in this pot. So well, that's it for now, guys, and these are all my potted plants. Are the 5 pots that I planted these monstera babies, and 2 in this one, and 1 of the rest of the pots. So I hope this will thrive in my house, and I cannot wait to see them grow. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.